Come on, bring that brightness to me. Yeah. Okay, so I haven't done a hair tutorial in a long time, but today's video is gonna be a hair tutorial. Yay! I know. So before, you know, I just want to say I love you guys so much. I don't know what I'd do without my pretty gang babies. I appreciate those of you who stay watching, who stay supporting. But without further ado, we ain't gonna do too much talking. We get to the film, get to what y'all came here to say. A no part slick back bun, because I know these very popular on the TikToker. So we're gonna do that hairstyle. So what I like to do is first thing first, I'm gonna really just drop this and let your mama and daddy feel it. The first thing I like to do is just take a comb, you know, pretty rough, and you know, just brush my hair back. One on now. Brush my hair back. And I take a rubber band because we're gonna do a decoy ponytail. All my pretty gang babies know what that is. You just put your hair in a temporary pony, and y'all, like that. And we're gonna just put it in a bun right now. Get ready to slick our hair, so just like that. Ready to take your man and your daddy, okay? We're gonna be ghetto, and we're gonna cut the sink on, and we're gonna put our brush up under that water and use that water, you feel me? And we, still got the tag on. You just gonna brush. I wet the brush first, and then I'm brushing my hair. Just like that. Just like that. Yeah, I'm loving my new camera. Like, having a camera, y'all, just makes doing YouTube all the more fun. It makes you feel like you're a professional, like, YouTuber. Not saying that you can't, like, be a YouTuber with a phone, because you definitely can. I've done it for like 3 years, and I've been just, you know, fine. But a camera just, you know, definitely adds that. Okay, so then, real simple hairstyle, real simple. If your hair is a little bit on the coarser side and you want it to be a little bit more slick, I would recommend blow drying your hair, so that way like really smooth, you know what I'm saying? So it's optional, totally optional. So then I'm gonna take some Shine Gems. This is what I like to slick my hair. This is what gets my hair slick. You can use Eco, you can use whatever you prefer. Just take a little bit of it, just a glob, you know, just a glob. And I'm gonna just put it on my hair like this. Cause I was just in the house looking a hot mess, y'all. I had to do something with my hair, like, babe, can't be just sitting around looking like this. If you want to be a hot girl, you gotta look like one, okay? You can't be a hot girl looking like a hot mess, okay? You can't. You just can't do it. So just put that on there. Just brush, and you just want to brush real good. I feel like y'all can't see. You just want to brush real good. Hopefully y'all can. And just brush hard. If brushing your hair hard like irritates you or hurts you, then don't do it. But I don't mind. It don't bother me, so I brush hard. And once you do that, right, you're gonna take 2 scrunchies. Like this one here, got hair on it. This is realistic hair tutorials, okay? This is what happens to grow up. All right, so nothing is perfect. We're not gonna lie like it is, okay? We're human. Get the, okay. So then you wanna just do like this and just grip that ponytail, grip, just like that. You're gonna take your brush and you're gonna brush it some more. This is just to get it super slick, honey, super neat. Yeah. Whew. This is an arm workout, baby. Get the neck hairs, because we need to make sure we good in the kitchen, you feel me? Okay. And then just grip and put it in a bun. Well, a ponytail. Just like that. Whew, child. I'm gonna feel praying that this rubber band don't pop. Man, it should not be that hard to get your hair ponytail. It just shouldn't. Now we got this right here. You're gonna take a little more gel. I know it's looking crazy right now. Y'all probably like, girl, what? What? Why should we listen to you? Look at her. Look at her edges. Oh! Why should we listen to her? But listen. I've been in this game before you was even born, shawty. I know what I'm talking about. No, I'm just playing. But I've been doing hair for a long time, so like, you know, it's in the gym. Just put it on that bad boy, and then you want to take this rubber band out from earlier, just like that. Oh, unleash the beast, okay? Take my hair, and what I like to do is just do like this. I'm gonna turn around so y'all can see. Hopefully this camera catching this. Twist my hair. It is not gonna be neat because I kind of want to messy a little bit, and I just twist my hair around like that, and I just take this and just go like that, and period. It's still looking crazy, but wait till we do these edges, honey. That's what's gonna make this hairstyle, okay? These edges, okay? So you wanna just take a comb and just part out what your edge is gonna be. Now I want to do like a messy, like curly look. Them out, and yeah. And I'm gonna do the little edges back here. Okay. Style booster, this right here, baby. Don't do your edges with nothing else but this, okay? Focus. All right, just with nothing else but this. So I'm gonna get close so y'all can see your girl and what she's doing, okay? Now I'm not the best at doing edges, but you know, your girl decent or whatever. And I'm gonna just put this on my edges, and a little bit does go a long way, so don't feel like you gotta do too much or use too much, okay? I'm just put a little bit here, okay? I'm gonna just take out a little bit more, and I'm gonna just go ahead and you just kind of freestyle it. There's really no right or wrong way to do edges. You just freestyle it. Do your edges the way you see fit, or the way you like to do them. So just swoop this bad boy. Take your time, have fun. Don't take it all serious. I noticed that when I just do my hair and like not have any high expectations for it, that's when my hair comes out the best. That's when it looks its prettiest. But when I'm like, okay, I gotta do this bun right because I'm trying to look cute, I want it to come out cute, that's when my hair like, absolutely not today, sis, nah. No. And I'm just gonna do like that. And we're just gonna do these pieces right here. And you just want them to look like, you know, real cute. Just run your finger across them a little bit. Do like that. What my little heart desires. Just, oh, I thought y'all couldn't see. This is actually perfect. That's why I love this camera. It's catching everything the right way. You know what I'm saying? And just like that. I'm about ready to take your man, girl. Stop playing with me. No, I'm just fine. I got a man. I don't want nobody's man. I'm just talking. Because it's a hot girl summer. Some people think that being a hot girl, it means being, you know, one of those, but it don't mean that, okay? That just means doing you and having fun by any means necessary. Not them means, unless you want to be them means, you know what I'm saying? But it just means enjoying yourself. You could be a relationship, be a hottie. Like, you don't have to, you know what I'm saying, be single to be doing, like, you know what I'm saying, do you. Just gonna swoop this side, and you just make sure you're smoothing your finger over it. And let me tell you guys something. Never feel like, I know so many people are like, man, can you do my edges? I don't know how to do mine. Sis, let me tell you something. I was once that way before. I never knew how to do my own edges. But YouTube, you guys, is your best friend. Whatever it is that you're trying to do or learn how to do, watch YouTube. That's all. It will teach you everything you want to know. It's a billion tutorials on how to do your edges. I'm sorry if y'all can't see this, but you get the gist. It's a billion tutorials on YouTube how to do your edges and stuff like that. If you want to learn how to put on a wig, YouTube. You don't gotta pay nobody. You ain't gotta have nobody teach you. You can be your own. You can be self-taught from YouTube. YouTube has some of the best teachers, some of the most creative women, okay? Ooh. Now I like how I got the little, like, you know, little curl going on side. That's what makes me look like a mommy. And y'all gonna see me put a little bit of edge control on my edges. I mean, not my edges, my eyebrows, because that's how I lay my eyebrows down. So just take a little time out your day to just get yourself together. It don't have to be much. It could just be you just doing your hair. You don't gotta be nothing extravagant. You gotta put on a whole wig or nothing like that unless you want to. And then just, you know, do your eyebrow. Do these little hairs back here. I just simply just twirl it around my finger with a little bit of gel and just, you know, let it do its thug fizzle and just put it like that. Same thing with this piece. I don't know if y'all can see, which would be awesome if you can. So I'm pretty much all done. This is what the bun is looking like. Hopefully y'all can see. I'm gonna do a little spin around for y'all. Don't talk about me if I look bullish in the bed, because I wouldn't know, because I can't sit back in my head. But this is what sis is looking like. We look cute. We look very put together. We look pretty. You just start your day, sis. You look like you about ready to snatch somebody's man, you know. This is her. So this is her. This is what she, oh, don't mind that piece. I don't know what she's doing. This is what she's looking like. I'm about to take my thumbnail pictures, and that's pretty much for that's pretty much it for this video. If you guys did like it, make sure you thumbs it up, comment down below what you guys want to see next from your girl. And yeah, until next time, pretty gang, peace.